Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Mitsubishi Outlander. First, park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Gather your tools, including a wrench, oil filter wrench, drain pan, and a funnel. You'll also need about 4½ quarts of new engine oil, typically 0W20 or 5W30, and a new oil filter. Safety is key, so use jack stands if lifting the vehicle. Now, let's get that old oil out. Safely raise the front of your Outlander using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Let the old oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Locate the old oil filter, usually near the drain plug, and remove it with an oil filter wrench. Make sure the old gasket isn't stuck to the engine. Apply a thin film of new oil to the rubber gasket of your new filter before screwing it on hand tight. Now, using a funnel, slowly pour the new engine oil into the fill port on top of the engine. After refilling, replace the oil cap and lower your vehicle. Start the engine and let it run for a minute, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Double-check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new filter. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.